Kundalini's life is a private individual life, and in this individual life your personal happiness index matters the most. What is personal happiness index? It means that whatever investment you are doing in your life is yielding the returns in the form of good health, joy, peace, calmness, and a sense of satisfaction with how you are living life. If you are not satisfied with the kind of life you are living and the desire to do more, to get more is intensifying in you, this means that you are not a happy person. And if you are not a happy person, then Kundalini is going to cause you suffering in the form of making you go through the issues involving blockages of energies, lack of sleep, lack of positive attitude towards life, and you cannot feel happiness. Now, what is real happiness? Real happiness is here and now, which I am experiencing. This is my personal happiness, which I am experiencing with this cat. She is responding by wagging its tail, and she is on its own. It's such a beautiful garden, organic garden here. If you can see cabbages growing, lettuce growing, have a just feel of this place and the nature around. The sunlight that is shining on the flowers, on the leaves, and the sun in the blue sky. Have a feel of it and just test on your brain and nervous system. How do you feel at this moment when you look at the blue sky, the clouds, white clouds, the green trees that you see, and the abundance of positive feeling? This sunlight is making me feel positive. Why? Because the feeling is coming from the energy I am radiating. I am radiating the energy of love, and this love energy is radiating in the environment. And since this love energy is radiating, I am actually having the highest quality of life at this moment. Today I am in Pokhara and the AQI is below 60. It is around 55 to 56 at this moment. And if you can see, the cat is hovering around me because of this energy. So she is choosing to play with me, and since this is happening due to the best quality of air that I am breathing, due to the best feeling I am getting in this moment, I just want to let you know that if you want to do personal investment in life, you have to focus on some of the essential elements of life. These essential elements is totally dependent on what kind of investment you are making, what kind of investment you are doing in your life, where you are investing all your time, money and energy. You have to know that if Kundalini has awakened in you and you are on the Kundalini's journey, then you have to focus on your personal happiness by investing in the best way on all the aspects of your life. If your relationship is toxic, you have to get out of the toxic relationship. If your health is not good, you have to focus on becoming healthy. If your wealth, finances and the way you earn money is based on stressful job or profession, you have to come out of that and become the creator of your life, where you can create life like me in abundance and just have a feel of this totally raw kind of garden where these flowers are radiating joy in this moment, and everything has become one. Look at this butterfly. It's so colorful, orange and yellow shade of butterfly. And if butterfly is available in a region, then know that the air quality is the best. Experientially, I am feeling that high quality of air today, and this butterfly is, it's not even moving. Even if I have come so close, this is my power. Have you seen such kind of experience ever? That a butterfly is not even flying. This is because of my powerful energy. I'm not disturbing it, and it is not getting disturbed. It's choosing to be around me. What more symbolic features you can see? That cat is playing there with the butterfly. Awesome. So this personal happiness index is an important factor about which I will be highlighting to you in the coming time. And if you want to work on your personal happiness index, then you should leave the matrix. Leaving the matrix is the first step in focusing on your personal happiness index. The state, the country, the society, the civilization, the world is not going to invest in your personal happiness index. It is you who have to take care that you are not surrounded with toxic energy, you are not in polluted and populated city, you are choosing your life in such a way that you are investing all of your life that is given to you on yourself for your personal improvement, for your personal growth, for your personal productivity. There are 5 important benefits that you will get when you get connected to me and take my consultations or projects if you are eligible. These 5 benefits are, first of all, I will make you an individual, independent, who is powerful to live his or her life. Second thing is that you will raise your productivity. If you are in a profession, if you are in a business or anything you are doing independently, you will grow in productivity level. Third is you will be able to get the highest return on your investment in life. This means that you will be able to feel the freshness of life. You will be able to smell the, means you will be able to use your senses. Your senses will improve. This means the quality of your health, well-being and everything will improve. The fourth important benefit is that you will be courageous and strong, independent individual, and you will develop the courage to leave the matrix and create your own life which is not dependent on the matrix. And the fifth and the most important factor is ultimately you will become a happy person who has control of his life in his hands. You are not dependent on your personal happiness index to get freedom, to be free, to be joyful based on external conditions, whatever be the conditions externally, but you will feel joyous, you will feel powerful, you will feel confident, and you will be able to create your life. So these 5 important benefits you are going to get if you are focusing on your personal happiness index with me, and this is how I radiate, because I live life this way. I am the creator of my life. I have created my life, and that is why I am confident to create your life. The students and clients who work with me, they work this way, and you too can create your life in health and happiness and abundance. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.